and the bot basically search for the keywords until they go on store, so you'll be the first to get them. So for example, here I go start bot, these will all be sold out, the product's already out, so the bot starts straight away. That shirt's still in stock, the other ones wasn't, so just skip them. And then you can check out if you actually have perfect card details. So as I said, we're going to be releasing this bot in limited quantities. You can check our website now, see if we still have any. If not, stay updated on our Instagram, and we'll be updating you as we drop this iOS bot. So hey guys, I'm going to be showing you the TheCopBot application. So here it is. This costs £110. You can use code ZAPTIO to get £10 off. A lot of people being like, why is your bot more expensive than other bots? The reason is, one, our bot's the best. Secondly, all other bots, they charge you every season a renewal fee. We have no renewal fee, so we work out cheaper than any other bot. You buy it once and you have it for every season for years. So let's get into it. So first you get onto the bot general. So this is where you can set different like features and stuff with the bot. So add to cart when the product is live, check out in cart. So I'm going to show you how I cop. So there's multiple ways to cop. If you go on the TheCopBot YouTube, you can see a few other ways. I'm going to be showing you the best way when you're at the computer. You can also use TheCopBot if you're at school. There's a timer that you can start, so as soon as you leave your computer on, the bot will start and start checking out your items. So here I'll go over a few of the features. You can hide sold out products from the store, enable desktop road notifications. This is what I use, add to cart delay, that's 2 seconds because it's milliseconds here. So 2000, checkout delay 200, refresh delay on out of stock items. There's also features, if something's out of stock, it can just auto refresh until it comes on, and then auto typer speed. So we have this auto typer. So other bots, they just copy and paste your checkout info, and Supreme can detect that. Our bot manually like types in your info. Checkout, here I've put in fake checkout information, so you can see it's TheCopBot test. This is just for the purpose of this video. Here you actually put your details in, and you can set the sizes that you want for what you're going for, so it just makes it quicker. Tasks, this is where you can create tasks to sort of tell the bot which products you're going for. For this method I'm showing you now, which is called click to buy, you do not need to create tasks. You can if you want to. This is more if you're scheduling the bot to run when you're not at home. So here also we're the only bot that has this sort of feature. So we give you the keywords for it, so you don't need to go search what's dropping. So for example, let's go on latest. So here it shows you the latest drop. So you can see the CDG Air Forces, the beanies. So if you're a normal person and you want to buy these shoes that were coming out, you'd click on it, you'd put in like your color, your size, blah blah blah, and tell the bot what happens if they can't find it. So what I recommend is keep refreshing until the product is found, because then sometimes Supreme put their items up later or whatever. What happens if it's sold out? Skip to the next task, so just go on. That's how you can add the tasks. Okay, so I accidentally signed out, but it gives me an opportunity to show you guys how it works. So you buy TheCopBot on our website, link will be in the bio. Within 10 minutes you should receive an email like this. If you don't, contact our 24-hour TheCopBot support. You can either DM or hit the email, which I'm going to pop up right here. So you'll get an email like this. This setup guide, you should read it properly. So this tells you the recommended times, all the different methods, how to bypass capture with TheCopBot. It shows you all the tools that you need to work out what works best for you. Again, people always ask what's the best times. There's too many factors that change that. So the speed of your internet, what item you're going for Supreme. If it's something hyped up, you need to maybe make it a bit more quicker. But there's too many factors, so we can't give you an exact time. You need to work out what works best for you. Once you get this email, you'll copy this code. This code will be blurred out for you now, just so you can't use my code, but it's only one code per bot, so we can't be finessed. And you go and sign in. You'll have a link to download this Chrome application. Sign in, and then you're back in the bot. It saves all of your preferences and stuff, so every time you sign in, as you can see, I don't need to go over everything. So let's get into this method. Let me delete this task. So I'm going to show you the click to buy. So this is the best method if you are at your computer. These are my personal delays based on my internet speed and what items I usually go for. To actually get this started, this method allows you to buy 8 to 10 items a drop. It's what I currently use. So how it works, so before Supreme drop, you click this button here, it says click to buy. It will take you onto the Supreme page at 11, you should click that button. And so on my bot, I did hide sold out items, so it saves me time looking through the items that sold out. So here, this is currently what's in stock. This is just a test, as I said. So say for example, you want this jacket. On the drop, you have to move quick. So what you do is you right click and you open a new tab, and the bot's set up that any item you click on, it will start the checkout process. So you need to be careful, don't click on items you don't want, because the bot will check out. So here goes. So say for example this orange jacket, open a new tab, and then let's say, oh I like this t-shirt for example, it goes. So then here the bot does the delays, adds to cart, and begins checkout. So you can see I'm not typing and the bot is doing our CopBot test. You can make the speed of the typer quicker. I recommend 1 millisecond because it sort of imitates like human typing, so Supreme won't really ban you. Process payment done. This actually can't check out just because it's fake details, but then this one goes again. So on a drop you can potentially open like 10 items. They have to be different ones of course, and you can check out on multiple stuff. So that's the method I use. The two negatives from this method is you have to be at your computer, some of you are at school, so if you check the CopBot videos you can check where you can actually schedule the bot to run by itself. And the second downside with this method is you're charged £5 shipping per every order you do. So you're charged a bit more, but if you're going for hyped items that you want to resell, it makes no difference. So that's the method I'm showing you. Make sure you read through the guide if you have CopBot and check out our other videos. Stop calling my phone!
Yo guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you how to use the task scheduling the most efficient way for this week's BOGO drop. We have found a new way, what is very efficient as well. It's copying. So you've got the other way where you start the bot a couple seconds. That is still recommended and you can use this way, but this is just an extra way. So what you'd want to do is start your bot about a minute before the drop, and then this is the other most important feature about this method is the refresh delay on out of stock items. You don't want this too fast because you can get banned from Supreme. I would recommend for a BOGO 10 ms or even a bit higher. What this essentially do, when it comes to the drop date, it will start the bot at 10:59, so it will go straight to Supreme's website, and then it will keep refreshing until that item is found. So for example, if I just launched the jacket now, it's obviously out of stock, so my bot will just keep refreshing until it's in stock and then cop it. So even if Supreme drops 10 seconds earlier, like the North Face drop, or 10 seconds late, the bot will just constantly be looking for it until it comes available in the store, then we'll auto check out and auto add to cart. So yeah, that is the most efficient way. Let me know if you have any more queries in the comments and then we'll answer them. Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna put you guys on something real quick. You see this Supreme North Face jacket right here. This costs like probably anywhere upwards of $1,000 resale, but I got it using a Supreme CopBot for $100, which you guys can do too. All you have to do is swipe up and check it out.
If you need to cop Supreme online, the only bot is obviously the CopBot. Now it's actually getting much more difficult to cop online Supreme. Even for me, I would always use my phone and I would just use autofill, and now Supreme have stopped copying and pasting, so you can't copy and paste anymore when you're trying to cop online. So that's why I'm trying to suggest to you even more that you're probably going to need a bot even more, and I'm definitely going to be using the CopBot even more than I already do. Of course guys, if you want to cop the CopBot, the link is always down below. Just use code ARI at checkout.
Box logo alert, guys. We have a BOGO. You can sell this for well over $1,000, or right about at $1,000, so like $900, $1,000, $1,100. You'll make your money back and profit. But for the sole purpose of me telling you guys about the CopBot, this is gonna be an insane investment. Make sure you guys go check it out down below and use my code BUSTA. I guarantee you guys it will work. So make sure you go cop the CopBot.